That's good. There it is, y'all. Got to drop that body out. The Willis. Y'all know that's how they originally came. One single tail light. Somebody added this probably over the years. It's a 47 body. Yep, let's get to it. I'm gonna drop this thing out the back real quick. Put y'all on the nifty stand. Set this shit for here. I can carry this by myself.
Oh, you want to carry all this shit all the way to the back?
We're gonna put that body on that, and we're just gonna roll that something right to the back.
Oh,
yeah. Take out this shit. Me and Youngster, like I said, put the body up there.
where you want to throw this?
Just stack
Right
that
there?
shit over there for now. Well, still got the ground cable hooked up.
Hella light. This shit's gonna be fast as hell.
It's good for a 200 horsepower motor, bro. It's gonna be quick. Really? Grandpa would have been fucking all on this one.
Ooh, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, Grandpa would have been all. What else we got to do? It's gonna be a good fishing rig.
Oh, that's for sure.
That's what I can't wait. This is gonna be our urban fisher though.
Kevin, you're keeping all this. You're gonna redo this?
Huh? The seats I got pretty much for mock-ups right now because I'm gonna buy a bombardier seats. I found them already. We got 2 of them. One's 150 for both. All right, I'll get this fucker in here.
Start scooting it out. I'll get up in there and we'll scoot as far as we can, I guess.
They're heavy. Like I said, it's only about 350, 400 pounds. 2 of us.
Is it on that light? I just don't know how heavy it's gonna be.
It's heavy. It's heavy. You ready? I got my side.
Wait, hold on, no, wait.
Done? I'm already off. I'm holding mine already.
Where are you holding it?
I'm
holding
holding
it there, the sharp end?
From the front right there, and then right here inside the fender wheel, bro.
Cool.
Just lift up. You gotta lift yours up. I'm up.
I don't know how heavy it was gonna be because that's just
It's heavy. It's awkward, is what it is. Ooh, I can't wait, man. It's gonna be the shit. I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna be crazy. Hey, it's our first fucking body swap project. Oh. Oh, look, my mirror. Nah, he remembers it, I think. Hold on. Wait. Man, you see that nasty ass burrito on there?
Yeah.
Horrible.
I thought you were throwing it away by now.
I ain't drove it. This truck ain't been moved since we came back.
No, I'm talking about
Pull your
since,
engine
I'm talking about since I had it yesterday. You was driving with it too?
Hell yeah. Oh, something's left. That's like left?
Hold on. Just wait. Go slow.
Close or broken?
Cricket, that's what it is.
there something in the bottom of the room?
No, it's cricket.
Let me see. Look, come
You know what? You have to stomp down on it.
Why is that? Why is that? What's your shit?
That shit looks good.
Guess she's staying like that for right now. Yeah. There it is. Got the custom ventilation already. Perfect candidate, huh, for the swap. I have to do a little patching right there. Or like I said, I might just leave it like that. I ain't for sure yet. So all this is coming out. Wish I had a damn plasma cutter. That's gonna be all grinder blades and sawzall blades. There's the fenders, seats, front windshield, pillars, hood. Thank y'all for tapping in. Like I always say at the end, stay alert, stay alive, like, comment, share, and subscribe.